Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So this one is by a company called DSoar Hair, and I've worked with them plenty of times before. So when they contacted me to review some new hair, I was absolutely down. This is their Peruvian natural wave, and you see it is absolutely gorgeous. This is the curl pattern and I love it. I got a closure this time, and I'm telling you, closure wigs are about to be my new thing because it is just so much easier to slay than having to deal with a frontal. Like, it's just a throw on and go wig, and I absolutely love that. I went ahead and used my WigStensions lace tint spray in golden, and I think I'm gonna start using the beige color, you guys, because I feel like this golden, it was good in the summertime, but now I just feel like it's a little too dark for my skin tone. Let me know what you guys think, but I just feel like it's a little too dark. So I went ahead and sprayed that on the lace, blew that dry with the blow dryer, and then went ahead and applied the wig to my head. I ended up using my own baby hairs and just a little bit of the baby hairs from the closure, but really not that much. The baby hairs that you see going on all around the other areas is my own baby hairs. And I really like how it blended, you guys. To make this wig, I used the technique that I always use, which is a dome cap, sewing the lace closure or frontal, whichever one it is, onto the dome cap, and then using my 30-second Salon Pro wig glue to go ahead and glue the tracks onto the dome cap. This way I know the wig will fit me absolutely perfectly, and it won't, you know, cover my ears or hurt my head. It fits perfectly. So I love this technique, and I love using my own baby hairs to help it to blend in. I think that this wig came out amazing. It looks great, it blends perfectly, and it fits my head to the T. Now, since I went ahead and bleached the knots on the closure's curl pattern was slightly different than the bundles because I never washed the bundles. I only washed the closure. So the bundles were still freshly out the pack. So I went ahead in with my large wand curler, and this is just a cheap one that I got from my beauty supply store for $20. And I think it's by a company called Tai Chi. It's just a cheap one. It doesn't matter which one you use. To just go ahead and put some more curls into that closure, because the closure wasn't the same curl pattern as the hair. So once I did that, I was pretty happy with it, but I also kind of wanted to just curl the ends of the hair a little bit too so that it would match even better. So I just randomly grabbed pieces from the closure and grabbed pieces from the bottom to just, you know, blend the curls and make it all look really good together. So that's what I'm doing here. And that's pretty much the end of this tutorial to review the hair and the company. I mean, the company is amazing. I've worked with them multiple times in the past. I really love their customer service. They're really on it if you have questions, concerns, or want to follow up about what you ordered. The hair is soft, it's beautiful, and it lasts, and I love it. So if you guys have questions, you can always ask them in the comment section down below, and I will leave a link to where you can purchase this hair or any of the other products that I used in this video. Alright, you guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're liking this content. Make sure you're sharing this video and giving me a thumbs up. It super helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.